Taking care of your heart and staying youthful is important for a healthy life. Fortunately, there are 9 delicious foods that can help you achieve both goals. These foods are known for their anti-aging properties and their ability to improve cardiovascular health.
Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are not only tasty but also packed with powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants protect your heart from damage and help fight the signs of aging.
Fatty fish. Fish such as salmon, trout, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats reduce inflammation in your body, which is good for your heart. Eating fatty fish regularly can improve your cardiovascular health and slow down the aging process. Dark chocolate. Good news for chocolate lovers. Dark chocolate, when consumed in moderate amounts, can benefit your heart and provide antioxidants. Look for dark chocolate with a high percentage of cocoa to reap the most benefits. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are not only crunchy and delicious, but they also contain healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. These components are great for your heart health and can help you stay young and vibrant. Leafy green vegetables. Remember to eat your greens. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They nourish your heart and protect it from damage caused by aging. Olive oil. Instead of using unhealthy fats in your cooking, opt for olive oil. It's a heart-healthy choice that can lower the risk of heart disease. Using olive oil in your meals supports cardiovascular health and contributes to a more youthful appearance. Avocado. Avocados are not only trendy but also good for your heart. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are healthy fats that promote heart health. Adding avocados to your diet can help you maintain a youthful glow. Green tea. Sipping on a cup of green tea is not only refreshing but also beneficial for your heart. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which can lower the risk of heart disease. Make it a habit to enjoy a cup of green tea regularly to support your heart health. Whole grains. Foods like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are considered whole grains. They are high in fiber, which is beneficial for your heart health. Consuming whole grains can help maintain a healthy heart and slow down the aging process. Including these 9 anti-aging foods in your diet can improve your cardiovascular health and help you age gracefully. Remember to enjoy them as part of a balanced diet and combine them with regular exercise for the best results. Take care of your heart, and it will take care of you.